Hey everybody, welcome to LaMeel TV. I am Priestess LaMeel of LaMeel.com, and I teach on magic, manifesting, spirituality, and high vibrational living. And you are watching day 18 of our 20-day journey in rituals that help you ignite your intuition. Excuse me. I try to keep these brief so that you can incorporate them into your day today, or plan to have them incorporated into your day tomorrow. So these are a series of 5 to 10 minute videos. I really try to keep them under 5 minutes, but today I promise that this one is going to be the shortest one, because day 18 is all about downtime. And guess what you do today? Not a fucking thing. I want you to carve out 1 hour and do nothing. Lay there, sit there, stretch there, but really do as little as humanly fucking possible for an hour. If you fall asleep, that's okay too, but do nothing. I need you to take an hour today and do nothing. It could be in the morning, it could be in the afternoon, it could be in the evening, it doesn't even matter. Do nothing. You can talk, it's not a say nothing. Just be in the moment and see what happens, see what you discover, see what you learn, see what you hear. Listen for your intuition and your spirit and your higher self and the angels and the fairies and everybody. And you know, some of us talk to demons, but listen to what they have to say, right? Hear what's going on. 1 hour today, do nothing. Ha! Under 2 minutes. So if you'd like to work with me, if you would like to get a private reading from me, that link is below. You can also buy amazing magical spiritual items, herbal remedies from me over at LUXE and Light Apothecary. If you'd like to join one of my classes, one of my programs, or my group coaching, those links are below. You can also find them at LaMeel.com. I love you guys. Enjoy your day of nothingness.